my God. Dreams coming true, bro. I'm shaking so much. Wow. All right, so as you guys can tell, I'm on a little bit something different today. I figured what a good way to have a little bit of a preseason, right? Today we are riding a BMW S1000R, the naked version. We got my buddy on the BMW S1000RR, and man, I'll tell you, this thing is so much fun. It's comfortable, it's flickable. It actually somewhat feels a lot like my bike. Obviously it's a little bit more leaned over, but man, this thing is fun. Does this thing have cruise control? Did I just accidentally set on cruise control? Weird. Yeah, there's a cop right in front of us, so we're trying to take it a little bit chill. Going 60 and a 45. My thing is, I don't know, do I run? Do I not? I'm gonna follow his lead, I guess. I f***ing love this thing. It's fun. It's like just a little bit of the throttle and it gets on it, man. And it's got such a pop-pop. Like, listen. Oh, I love that sound. That sounds so good. Pop, pop. Less than a year on a motorcycle and I'm already riding a BMW S1000R. This is amazing to me, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for all the support. A year ago, I had no idea that this is where I was going to be with my life. I've got good friends. I've got fun bikes. These are memories being made right here. Oh my God. Dreams coming true, bro. I'm shaking so much. Wow. Oh.
Hold it on red line for a second.
Hold it on red line?
For 1 second.
Oh my God, this thing is way too much fun. I guess we'll see what he says if he turns around. I think I can do this fast boy life. This is fun. Who gave us BMWs? Oh. See, it did it by itself. I think it's something in the shifter. Sorry guys, I'm not very talkative in this today because like I am nothing but focused right now. Dropping something like this would terrify the hell out of me, so especially at the speeds we're going. When the good friend meets the sketchy friend, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of the things that we're going to expect in season 2. And right now I am on one of them. I'm going to go ahead and do some motorcycle reviews. Okay, so, oh, there's a gas tank in the front, guys. That's new. Let's go ahead and get off real quick, show you guys. So this is the S1000R and this is the S1000RR. I'm gonna be doing a video for the I'm gonna be doing a video for the S1000RR as well as this FZ. What's up, my guy? And this Yamaha R7 with a new full metal stunt cage. This is crazy. I'm so happy, bro. I haven't been on a bike. I just miss it. I guess I should close this. Push. What am I doing wrong? Oh, okay. I figured it out. I kept unlocking it every time. Oh, this is a fucking dream for me. Oh, I'm not used to mirrors, man. This is nice. Crackle, crackle. Crackle, crackle. Crackle, crackle. We got the homie on the SV. Bro, am I about to show up to Casey's on a BMW? It looks like it. Brother! Bro, I feel so awkward being here right now. Is your dad gonna get mad if I spin it?
No.
Okay.
Drop it.
Oh, I won't. I just don't like backing in. I hate it so much. There he goes. Loop City. It's fast, bro. It's quick. Every time you take off, it just reels you in. This thing is so much fun. Oh my God, I love it. I guess we're going that way now. Happy birthday, man. This is basically a birthday ride out. Hell yeah, brother. Man, I miss these nights so much. Oh my God. You guys literally have no idea. I don't feel depression anymore ever since I got my motorcycle. Booty bump, S1000. Booty bump, booty bump, booty bump, booty bump, booty bump. We're just riding around, man. We're downtown. That's what we're doing. We're enjoying this beautiful Saturday night that I thought was a Sunday. We're here. We made it. I know, bro. Bro, this night has been fucking great.
I turned right. I was like, what the fuck did it go? Oh yeah, you
Yeah.
right, it kept going straight. Yeah. We were gonna go over the backside, but I saw that cop car. I was like, ah.
Bro, that shit was fun. Oh man.